Hello mga kadonat, it's Mega and Jico for another run of Jico Talks and I'm with, syempre, Adam. He's playing Adam. We have David Licauco.
Yes, hello. What's your name?
Jico.
Chico.
Jico, ayan.
Hi, Chico.
Dahil ka donut, ano yung favorite donut flavor mo?
Honey glazed.
Wow, honey glaze, ayan. And one word challenge po tayo dito, no? Dito sa That Kind of Love. One word to describe what you're feeling right now.
Right now, excited.
Describe one word of your character, Adam.
Perfect.
Perfect din yung sinabi ni Barbie. One word to please.
Um, Perfect.
One word to describe character of Barbie, Mila.
Bubbly.
One word to describe That Kind of Love movie.
Worth it.
Worth it. Invite our viewers to watch and catch That Kind of Love in cinemas.
Hi mga
Donut.
ka-Brooklyn.